Hi, I'm Michelle Besa and I'm a Lensbaby ambassador. I started using Lensbaby a little over a year ago. I was just coming out of a personal 365 project and I was feeling a little bit stuck creatively. I had seen some Lensbaby images and I found them very interesting, and I thought that maybe that was something I'd like to explore. I did become a little bit overwhelmed when I saw all of the options, so I started talking to other photographers who I knew were using the products, and one that knows my work really well recommended that I start with the Suite 35. The Suite 35 is part of the optic swap system. I use it with the Composer Pro 2, and then she also recommended that I get the macro filters, and these are something that I use very often in my work. Now that I have several lenses, I would still say that the Suite 35 is probably my all-time favorite. So what the Suite lens will do for you is it'll give you a sweet spot of focus, and then it will blur out from around that point. What the Composer Pro 2 will do for you is allow you to shift that sweet spot. So if you don't want it directly in the center or head on, you can move the Composer Pro 2 right or left, up or down, depending on where you want the focal point in the frame, and then that blur will fan out from there. What I also appreciate about the Suite is the ability for me to control my aperture from f2.5 all the way up to f22. And that also helps with focus and allowing me to decide how much of that Suite effect I want to see in my final image. I use my Suite 35 for florals, nature, traditional portraits, and self-portraits. I just find it a very versatile lens. I truly love it. It'll just bring your creativity to a whole new level, and I can't recommend it enough. Now that you've heard a little bit about the Suite 35 and seen what it can do, I recommend that you consider making it a part of your collection. I promise you will not regret it.